Love that I had for 35 years was gone in a blink of an eye. But I hope you understand that I'll never have that life I once had.
Everything changed in just seconds for the family of a Gwinnett County woman. She was walking her dog when her car crashed right into her. Days later, she died, and now her family believes they have not gotten the justice they deserve. Good evening, and thanks for joining us. I'm Sanae Simpson.
Hello and welcome, everybody. I'm Tom Haynes. Georgette Stovall was walking her dog along a road in Snellville when a driver crashed into her. Stovall's family fought for the driver to go to jail, but today a judge ruled against jail time.
Well, as Christy Hutchings with the New Talk 106.7 tells us, the sentence came after the victim's family made a very emotional appeal.
It was an emotional day here at Gwinnett County Superior Court as both the victim's family and the defendant were clearly upset in court.
These are our last memories of the woman I've loved for 35 years.
William Stovall held up hospital pictures of his wife in her last moments before her death. Georgette Stovall died following a tragic accident. She was walking her dog when Tiffany Hayes ran her over. According to Hayes, she fell asleep while driving home.
Do you understand what you did? Do you feel remorse for all of us? Do you have any idea what you put us through?
The Stovall family asked that Hayes face jail time for the crime, saying they've missed out on Christmases and birthdays, and Hayes should too. Hayes also spoke at the plea hearing, apologizing to the family.
I know that you are hurting deeply to your loved one not being here. And I also know that nothing that I am saying can heal the pain that this tragedy is causing you as her family and friends. I wake up every single morning wishing this was a dream.
Hayes won't face any jail time. Instead, she received 10 years probation and 380 hours of community service, a sentence the Stovall family says simply is not enough.
I don't have the closure that I expected, and that in turn hurts more than anything.
Following the hearing, Hayes avoided the camera and did not speak to us. However, her attorney, Keith Adams, did.
She doesn't walk away from this with no feeling of remorse or regret or empathy. She was crying. She was sobbing when she heard those statements.
And Hayes pled guilty as a first-time offender, which means she is not a convicted felon, but when her criminal history is ran, this will show up on it. However, her attorney does tell us in a few years she can choose to have that sealed. He says they will address that at a later time. In Gwinnett County, I'm Christy Hutchings with the New Talk 106.7 for Fox 5 News.